Car Show. You've just clicked on the only machine in the world that looks like it's challenging the natural order of things. A vision of pure, kinetic energy set against a backdrop of organic chaos. And if you want to keep seeing vehicles that redefine the very horizon of possibility, do me a profound favor and hit that subscribe button right now. Because what you are looking at is the Stalwart GT, a hypercar that is less a product of engineering and more an argument with physics. A white phantom capable of blurring the line between asphalt and atmosphere. The light in this garden setting is deceptive. It suggests peace. But the low, wide stance and the aggressively angled cuts of the bodywork betray a singular, savage purpose. A statement of intent, visible in every micron of the car's tri-layer pearl-white carbon fiber shell. This isn't just paint. It's a structural finish applied over a bespoke carbon fiber monocoque chassis, the foundational element that grants the GT its immense torsional rigidity, while contributing to a final, astonishingly low curb weight of just 3,190 pounds. An incredible feat considering the mass of its advanced battery architecture. The entire body is a study in computational fluid dynamics, achieving an optimized drag coefficient, CD of 0.23, a figure crucial for maximizing its prodigious range and top speed, ensuring the air slices cleanly over the low canopy and along the impossibly smooth flanks. The central narrative of the Stalwart GT is one of energy, where it comes from, how it's used, and how it is visually expressed. The striking blue elements that carve into the car's lower section are not mere paint accents. They are the external visualization of the vehicle's active flow channels, internal cooling ducts crafted from high-strength, thermoconductive composite material. These channels manage the colossal heat output of the battery and drive units, drawing cool air from the low front splitter, accelerating it along the body's lower curve, and venting it cleanly out the rear diffuser. The subtle blue hue is actually a specialized thermal coating that helps radiate excess heat, giving the car its signature two-tone contrast while fulfilling a critical thermodynamic function. This commitment to visible, functional beauty is what makes the GT such a visceral experience even when static. But the eyes are inexorably drawn to the wheels, the car's most audacious departure from convention. These are not static alloys. These are the active magnetic flux wheels, a proprietary system developed by Stalwart Dynamics. The core hub contains electromagnets that generate a self-sustaining energy field, which, combined with the embedded neon green electroluminescent segments, creates the illusion of pure, spinning light. The green is specifically tuned to the frequency of the energy recovery system. In motion, the rapid rotation and the pulsing electrical field create a shimmering, hypnotic vortex, the car's literal energy signature on display. A kinetic art piece that also boasts a technological secret. The wheels incorporate integrated, kinetic energy recovery units, micro-generators that contribute a small but measurable amount of recovered energy back into the main battery pack during deceleration, acting as a perpetual subtle charging source. These wheels wrap around custom aero-grade titanium brake calipers, an ultra-lightweight material chosen for the suspension and braking components to reduce unsprung mass, a critical factor for optimizing the handling performance and minimizing inertia during rapid changes in direction, ensuring the massive 15-inch carbon ceramic discs and 6 piston calipers can haul the car down from speed with relentless efficiency. The soul of this beast is its tri-motor axial flux EV system, a hyper-dense power plant utilizing 3 separate electric motors, 1 high-output unit powering the front axle and 2 separate independently controlled units powering the rear. This setup grants the car instant, digitally precise all-wheel drive, AWD torque vectoring, allowing the car to manage power distribution to each individual wheel faster than any mechanical differential. The combined system output is a staggering 250 horsepower and an earthquake-inducing 1,600 pound-feet of instantaneous torque. This immense power is fed by a cutting-edge solid-state battery architecture, packed tightly into the chassis floor for maximum stability. The 140 kWh capacity of this dense pack is what enables the car's remarkable estimated 550-plus mile range, Under ideal conditions, a factual triumph of energy density over mere volume, pushing the boundaries of what consumers expect from performance EVs. The experience of acceleration is not merely fast, it is a violent, silent transition of state. The Stalwart GT is capable of rocketing from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a verifiable 1.8 seconds, placing it firmly in the category of the world's quickest production vehicles. This launch is managed by a hyper-sophisticated launch control system that constantly analyzes tire slip and adjusts the magnetic flux and torque vectoring in real time to maintain absolute, unwavering grip. The maximum velocity is electronically capped at 245 mph, a speed only accessible in its dedicated velocity mode, which stiffens the suspension, lowers the chassis via the adaptive air suspension system, and locks the aerodynamic elements into their low-drag configuration. The cabin, accessible through low-profile scissor doors, is a serene contrast to the brutality outside. It is wrapped in sustainable recycled polymer fabrics and features a minimalist, driver-centric design. The interior is bathed in natural light filtered through the electrochromic panoramic roof, which can instantly transition from fully transparent to opaque black at the touch of a single button, another feature borrowed directly from aerospace technology. The sensory immersion continues with the Aura display, a fully holographic interface that projects speed, battery state, and vectoring telemetry onto the windshield, replacing the need for a physical dashboard and minimizing driver distraction. All secondary functions are controlled via haptic feedback panels on the carbon fiber steering yoke. Every material choice reinforces the car's extreme engineering. The underlying structure features hydroformed aluminum subframes bolted to the central monocoque, components chosen for their immense strength-to-weight ratio and ability to manage the torsional forces generated by the 1,600 lb-ft of torque. The Stalwart GT is a technological narrative told in motion, where the green glowing wheels are the visible sign of its constant energy work, the blue channels are the visible sign of its thermal management, and the silent, blinding speed is the ultimate payoff of its revolutionary engineering, a true mid-engined electric Hyper GT that redefines both luxury travel and track performance. Its story is one of meticulous, uncompromising vision, the perfect marriage of sustainable power and savage speed, a white phantom that is simultaneously the present and the future of hypercar design, moving silently through the world, yet leaving a profound neon green echo of its passage. Best wishes and safe travels.